Hey guys, I'm coming at you guys with a very simple pancake recipe. It's very simple. You only need these ingredients right here. Then you need 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour. And I like to use the organic unbleached, but you also could use spelt flour, which I have before as well. However, I feel like they are not as fluffy as when you use regular flour, so just keep that in mind. But then you're going to use 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then you're just going to go in with a dash of sea salt, but for measuring purposes, I used a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then you're just going to stir all of those things together like so. And then you're going to add 1/2 cup of spring water or water. And then you're going to add 1 cup of your plant-based milk. I'm using Kiki milk. This stuff is amazing. I have a code Linda15, which saves you guys money. It's not just good for babies, it's literally good for the whole family. And it's super clean ingredients as well. No gums, no any fake stuff. I won't even get into it, but definitely check them out. But anyways, then I go in with a splash of vanilla extract. And then to sweeten it up, I just do a couple squeezes of agave. And then you're going to give this a good mix. You don't want to mix it too much or your pancakes will not be as fluffy, so do keep that in mind. There will be some lumps. Lumps are perfectly okay. So it'll start to look something like this, and then you'll know that your mixture is perfect. It's not too thick and not too runny either. Then you're going to go ahead and use your favorite oil of choice. I used grapeseed oil, and I used way more oil than I actually needed to use because I honestly forgot that I was making pancakes. I thought I was making fritters, but that's a whole nother story. You do not need that much oil, okay? You also could use plant-based butters. My favorite is the Miyoki, I believe is the name. And literally you just need just enough to just get the pot like nice and shiny, but you do not need as much oil as I put in this pot. But anyways, you'll know your pancakes are ready once they start to bubble like so, and then you know it's time to flip those bad boys. I like my pancakes to be brown like me, so that is why I choose to cook them this long. But if you like your pancakes a little bit lighter, feel free to turn them over whenever you want to. I definitely like to cook my pancakes on medium low, and that is how I get these beautiful brown skin, fluffy, vegan pancakes. And they're so good, you don't even need to put agave on top of them, but I like the aesthetic of, you know, putting agave because it's just like nostalgic. So yeah, but as you can see, baby loves it, the whole family loves it, and honestly, these pancakes make me so happy. They're so fluffy. Look how fluffy they are. They're gonna be beautiful. Oh, so good, so good, so good, so good.
I'm eating these pancakes.
And they're vegan.
It don't got that vegan feel to it.
Well, they're vegan.
I'm damn near feel unhealthy.